First, let's review how absolute positioning works. So I have, in this setup, I have 5 divs, grandparent, parent, and then 3 children. The 3 children have a width of 200 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. And according to their default nature, they stack on top of each other. The parent and grandparents are opened up to contain these 3 children. Now, if I set the children to a position of absolute, okay, you can see that they're all stacked on top of you. They're all overlaying on top of each other right now, and you can see that the parent elements all collapse. Let's take the positioning off of the children and just apply it to child 4. Okay, and now you can see that the parent class it collapses as though child 4 no longer existed. And you can see that child 4 has the top and left, the 0 coordinate, are going to the top corner. Okay. Now, why are they not going to the corner of the parent class? Why are they going to the body? The reason is that the body has a position of static, which is the default. So this is the default. Now, if I change the parent to relative, now this child 4 is going to take its positioning is going to be relative now to the parent. I could also switch it to the grandparent, and you see now its positioning is relative to the grandparent. Now let's take that positioning off altogether here. And now let's see what happens if I give the parent absolute positioning. Let's make this a little bit less so that we can still see all the children. And now if I go back and add positioning on number 4, you'll see that the left 100 pixels is relative to this parent. That's because this parent has a position of absolute, and it's going to use that's going to be the framework in which it's going to start with so 0 is now here at this top corner.